Letter ta is made in 3 steps. First step is a small standing line. Second step, curved shape, ending with a curve going little upwards. This ending step should be in line with this standing line. The third step is headline made on top of the letter. For this letter, headline covers the entire part of the letter. Some common mistakes while writing this letter ta. In this, the curved part is going to the right side. The curved part should be always to the left from this standing line. In the second letter, the first step, the standing line is made very big, and in this is made very small. Letter ta is made in 3 steps. The first step is a small standing line. Second step is a circular shape beginning from and ending at this standing line. Major part of the circular shape should be to the left from this standing line. Only a small part goes to the right side. The third step is headline covering the entire part of the letter. The mistakes in these letters are, here the circular part is entirely made to the right side. The major part of the circular shape should be made to the left side. Only a small part goes to the right side. In this, the standing line is made very big, and in this, standing line is made very small. Letter da is made in 4 steps. The first step is a small standing line, and second step is a curved shape. The first 2 steps should be made in the upper half of the letter. The third step is a curved shape made in the lower half of the letter. Curved shape, ending going little upwards, but should not cross the center line. If you combine second and third step, it looks like letter S. This part narrow and this part broad. Fourth step is headline covering the entire part of the letter. The mistakes in these letters. In this letter, the third step, the curved part is entirely made to the right side. The curved part should be made to the left from this standing line. And here, the standing line is very small. Letter da is made in 3 steps. This letter looks same like letter ta with a oval shape at the bottom. The first step is a standing line. Second step is a curved shape ending with a oval shape at the bottom. This oval shape should be exactly in line with this standing line. The third step is headline covering the entire part of the letter. The mistakes in these letters are, the bottom oval shapes are not in line with this standing line. Here it is made to the right side and here it is made to the left side. This oval shape should be in line with this standing. Letter ana is made in 3 steps. The first step is like capital letter U. The major part of this first step is in the upper half. Only the curved part is made in the lower half of the letter. This part should not be made very long. Second step is a standing line. Third step is headline covering the entire part of the letter. Some common mistakes while writing this letter. Here, this first step is made very long. The first step and the standing line are not of equal size. This U shape should be made shorter than the standing line. And here, this U shape is made very broad, and here there is no space between this first step and second step. If there is no space, it looks like letter pa. There should be some space between the first step and this standing line.